Jay Haynes of the Film Sensei YouTube channel. Previously, I showed how to separate, rig up, and animate these battle warship guns using assets from Production Crate as well as Blender and HitFilm Pro. I also showed how to get those laser guns firing. In this video, I will show how to add the final touches to make it look fantastic, including adding extraneous spill lighting, light flares, and some lens dirt to tie it all together. This tutorial contains a timestamp table of contents for your reference. If you have not watched the last two videos, you will want to do that first. There are links in the description below. I will start by adding the spill lights. First, I will add a new light to the scene, and I will rename this to Spill Light. Then, I will parent it to the top front laser source 1 point. And after twirling open the transform properties, I will reset the position to 0. Now you can see that there is light spilling around the laser turret. Opening up the light properties, I will change it to green. See how the light goes too far? I can fix that by adding a curved fall off and adjusting the reach. How much to adjust will depend on your scene. In this case, I will make it between 50 and 100. I will also turn on cast shadows. Right now, the light is on all the time, so I will want to go ahead and keyframe the intensity to only be on when the laser fires. Using a combination of constant and linear keyframes will do the job. I will start by turning on keyframing for intensity. Then I will set it to 0 and change the style to constant. Moving forward to the first frame where the laser fires, I will set a new keyframe for 100, leaving it as a linear keyframe. Moving forward 3 frames, I will set it back to 0, making that keyframe constant. Now I can just copy those 2 keyframes by moving forward to the next time when the laser fires and paste them here. I will continue to do that until the shot is complete. Now I can duplicate this light and parent it to the top front laser source 2 point so there are 2 lights spilling. Looking pretty cool! Now to add light flares to those guns firing, I will start by creating a new grade layer calling it light flares. Then under lights and flares, I will find and drag down a light flare effect. Twirling open the hotspot position, I will attach it to the top front laser source 1 point, then I will go ahead and zero out the center. Now I can set the flare type, intensity, color, and scale to match my scene. Now, like before, I will keyframe the flare to come on and off whenever the laser is firing. Lastly, I will duplicate this light flare and parent it to the top front laser source 2 point in the same way that I did before. Lastly, just for an artistic touch, I will add another grade layer and call it lens dirt. Under grunge, I will find and drag down the lens dirt effect. If you have your own lens dirt assets, you can pick one and attach it here. For today, I will just use the heavy preset and call it good. I'm Jay Haynes with the Film Sensei YouTube channel, and that is how you add those special touches to those guns of firing. Please do me a favor and like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. Thanks for watching.